Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how silver price has moved in 2022 and how the price of silver can move in the rest of 2022. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, it is currently trading at around 19.309. okay, before that what we have seen in from 2012 to 2022, what we have seen that it was moving in this particular zone. Okay, and if you look at this particular zone, it has started falling from, you can say, August of 2012. We have seen it has fall after this particular range, and it was in this zone for around 2013 to 2020. Okay, once this zone break upside, we have seen it has made this particular zone. Okay, and for this particular zone, you can say it is from August 2020 to till now. Out regarding silver or any other commodities, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how it works, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. April 2022, it was moving in this particular zone, and in the month of May, in the end, we have seen it has fall this particular zone and made a low of around 18.140, you can say. Okay, this is around 18.140 it has made a low, and after that we have seen it is trying to go upside. Okay, and if you look at before 2012, what we have seen, there is a continuous rise. Okay, because there was a as you know that 2008 was a recession period where we have seen it has went down, and after that we have seen it made a high in 2011, and from there since then you can say it has not touched that particular level and it is continuously down. Okay, so now what we can see in the look for the rest of 2022. See, if we look at this chart as a monthly on a monthly basis, you can say that this monthly chart says that a probability, because this particular swing has created here with a support of $18.140, and it is trying to go upside. Okay, and already made a high of around 20.920, and this particular candle standing with the support of $18.678. Okay, suppose this particular swing formed and this level sustained, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $21.038. Okay, and from there we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of around $22.360. Okay, once the level of 21 sustained, then there is high probability of touching $22.360. Okay, and suppose if that level also sustained, then we can see it will moved out from this particular zone and can go further high and can touch a level of around $25.169 if this particular level sustain, and then we can see a probability of touching this particular zone's high. From there we can see it can go further upside because all these levels are already being tested here, so probability will be very high. We can see it can go towards a level of $26.231, and if that sustained, then we can see it can go to a level of $27.031. Okay, suppose if the price goes above that level, then there is a high probability of touching further upside towards a level of around $28.827, because this particular level, as you can see, that it will come again in this particular zone once if it goes above a level of $21.3. then we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $28.827, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of $30.126. Okay, and this $30.126 is already being tested here twice, so probability will be high. We can see it can go to a level of $32.127. Okay, and then we can see it can go further upside. Now, as I have already explained you something, that if the market has to go up, it may go sharp upside only if there is a big news like war or pandemic type situation, or it can come down only if there is a big news. The market will move in a particular zone and then it break this zone and it will go upside. Okay, in the same way it will halt for some time, then it will come down. Okay, so now what we can looking at the chart, suppose if this level didn't sustain, because we can see, if you look at closely, there is a pattern forming. Okay, a opposite cup pattern forming. Okay, so probability will be high that if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can go further downside towards a level of $18.780, and from there we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $18.021. Okay, suppose if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can go further down and can touch a level of $17.76. Okay, and if that level also goes further down, then we can see it can go further towards a level of $16.156. Okay, and once the price goes below this particular level, because as you know that 18.01 is a support, so once this zone breaks downside, because this is since July of 2020 we have seen that this level was not break. So once this goes down, then we can see it will come in this particular zone, and a probability of going towards a level of 16.156 is very high. So once if it goes 16.156, then we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $15.563, and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of around, you can say, $15.054. Okay, and if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can go further down towards a level of $14.2 also. So you have to keep this in mind once this zone, because if it goes below a level of 14, then we can see it can break this particular level also, and around $13.5 is a strong support. So we can see a bounce from this $13.5, or it can go further down towards a level of $11.65. Okay, and this is where we will see a bounce back. After this is a strong support. Okay, 11.5. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail ID in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.